A warm welcome to all the participants. In this session, we are going to learn about learning disability, a brief introduction about learning disability. And learning disability is a neurological disorder. It results from the difference in the way a person's brain is wired. And most people with learning disabilities are of average or above average intelligence, and they are characterized by the discrepancy between the ability and their achievement in areas such as reading, writing, mathematics, or speaking. A number of learning disabilities refers to an umbrella term that includes many disabilities that may affect the acquisition, organization, retention, understanding, or use of verbal or non-verbal information. The impairment affects one or more processes related to perceiving, thinking, remembering, or learning. The disability does not include disorders related to visual, hearing, or motor disabilities, or mental retardation, or emotional disturbances, and as a result of environmental, cultural, or economic disadvantage. And learning disabilities may occur in the following areas of spoken language, written language, arithmetic, reasoning, and organization skill. Some of these problems can be found in all children at certain stages of development. When a child has a cluster of symptoms that do not disappear as he or she gets older, we can suspect that the child has learning disability. The common symptoms are the child has difficulty in staying organized, difficulty staying on a task, difficulty finding the right way to see something, and they exhibit inconsistent school performance and immature way of speaking, difficulty listening well, and problems dealing with the new things in life, and problems understanding words or concepts. The following inclusion criteria are used in identification of children with learning disabilities. The normal intelligence performance or verbal IQ or equal or greater than the normal range, and normal sensory functioning, retardation in learning areas such as reading, writing, and arithmetic, and average or above average in socio-economic status. In the identification problem, it has to be made sure that the child is not suffering from serious emotional disturbances and exhibits symptoms of perceptual deficits and has educational opportunities. The child's special abilities should also be ascertained by means of other psychological tests, and the scholastic history of the child should be properly studied. The comorbidities means that certain diseases and disorders tend to occur together. In 25% of the cases of learning disabilities, a comorbid condition is attention deficit hyperactive disorder, ADHD, and to see learning disability necrotics. Learning disability refers to the discrepancy between academic achievement and intelligence. The problem significantly interferes with academic achievement and activities of daily life, and it's a developmental disorder. It's not a global delay. It's not a type of mental retardation. It's a hidden handicap. It is a condition and not a disease, and it can be remediated by proper identification and remedial teaching. The educational implications are proper support with accommodation and modification helps children with learning disability, and specifically technology can help individuals with disabilities become more efficient and effective. Learning disabilities should not be confused with other disabilities such as mental retardation, autism, deafness, blindness, and behavioral disorders. In the next session, let us discuss about the causes and characteristics of learning disabilities. Thank you.